Today we are going to talk about atomic number and mass number. So, what is atomic number? Atomic number Z is the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. Every atom has a unique atomic number. That is an important thing. That every atom has a unique atomic number. It is not possible for two atoms to have a same atomic number. It helps us to identify the element. In neutral atoms, so if there is no negative or positive charge, okay, no positive or negative charge, then number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Formula is atomic number is simply equal to number of protons. Example is that hydrogen symbol is H. Atomic number is 1. It has one proton and one electron. Whereas carbon symbol is C. It has 6 atomic number, which means that it has 6 proton and 6 electrons. That is same for oxygen. O, it has 8 atomic number, 8 electron, 8 proton and 8 electron. Sodium Na has symbol has 11 atomic number, so it has 11 protons and 11 electrons. Chlorine, its symbol is Cl. It has atomic number of 17. It has 17 proton and 17 electron. So what is mass number? So mass number is a total number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus. Okay. So for if you want to calculate the mass number, you have to add number of protons and neutrons. So mass number is always a whole number. Okay. So if we want to find neutrons, if we have mass number and atomic number, we simply subtract mass number from atomic number, sorry, from mass number. Here is an example. For example, that is carbon 12, which means that carbon always has an atomic number of 6 and mass number of 12. So what is the formula? Formula is simple. Neutron is equal to mass number minus atomic number. So if we minus 12 from 6, that will give us 6. Okay, now second example. Sodium 23. Sodium 23 means that it has a mass number of 23, and we know from the periodic table that atomic number of sodium is always 11. So neutrons are simply 23 minus 11. That will give us 12. In third example, chlorine 35. Chlorine 35 means that it has a mass number of 35. And from the periodic table, we see that the atomic number of chlorine is 17. So neutrons are simply equal to 35 minus 17, that will give us 18. Now we are going to talk about the atomic number versus mass number. What is atomic number? Atomic number is simply the number of protons, whereas mass number, that is important thing, it is a addition of proton and neutrons. Identifies the atom. Atomic number help us to identify the element. If atomic number is 6, that means it is a carbon element. If it's 8, so it's a oxygen. If it's 1, that's a hydrogen. Whereas mass number gives the total mass of a nucleus. Okay, the symbol for atomic number is Z, whereas symbol for mass number is A. Never changes for any element. Okay, that is the most important thing. Carbon, for example, has 6. Carbon will have 6 atomic number. So that is atomic number. Here we have atomic number, okay, number, and for example, that is a mass number. So it cannot change. Okay, atomic number cannot change. If it changed, that means that would be a different element. Can change in isotopes. We have discussed about in the previous lecture as well. You can see that isotopes connection. Isotopes are the atom that has same element with same atomic number. Atomic number will never change, but different mass number. What does that mean? Here is the example of carbon 12, carbon 12, carbon 13, and carbon 14. So carbon 12 has 6 proton. Okay, it has 6 neutron, and mass number is 12. Simply, if you want to calculate neutrons, mass number minus proton number or atomic number. Carbon 13, it will have same number of protons, but now the neutron numbers are changed. Now it has one more neutron than carbon 12. So its mass number is 13. 6 plus 7 is 13. Carbon 14. Here you can see again that's the same element, so proton number will never change. Now neutron number is 8. That means the atomic mass is 14. That is the isotopes of carbon. Nuclear system. Atoms are written in the form of this. Okay. So A is atomic mass, that is written over here in that. So that is atomic mass, that is that will be atomic number. And if we subtract, so you can see that is a mass number, that is 23. We will write above the left hand side but on the top, whereas atomic number is always written in, just below the symbol. So that means that sodium has 11 proton, 12 neutron. Okay, if it's a neutral sodium, so it will have same number of electrons. So for example, oxygen 16. Oxygen 16 has an atomic number of 8, mass number of 16. So that means it has 8 proton, 8 electron, and 16 minus 8 is 8 neutrons. Magnesium 24, it has atomic number of 12, so it has a mass number 24. So it has 12 proton and 12 electron because it is a neutral atom. And what is the neutron number? 24 minus 12, that will give us neutron number. Now talk about calcium. Calcium 40. So atomic number is 20 for calcium. You can get it from periodic table. Mass number is 40. Okay. So that means it has 20 proton. If it is a neutral atom, so electrons and protons are equal. So that will be also 20. So mass number minus atomic number will give us number of neutrons.